All right, so we already got into Toronto, stayed the night, and now we're leaving. I just didn't have a battery or a chance to get any footage yesterday, so I want to at least to document where we stayed, because it was so freaking cool. So there's this little private basement, which is pretty cool. There's the backyard, and we're literally walking distance from Lake Ontario, so very nice location. This is the place. Obviously it's a huge lake, so it could be 40 miles away and 1 mile away, but if you look at the map, we could walk there. This was our room and bathroom. Sweet shower setup. Yeah, the full kitchen, and we were supposed to check out 1 minute ago, so we gotta get going. That's Toronto. We're in Canada. Gorgeous weather, Canada. Those are cupcakes. That's Canada. Oh my goodness, I need to get footage. I don't know what the I'm doing. Okay, look, this is Niagara Falls apparently. Holy sh**. This is crazy. Look at Wendy's.
Yeah, Ruby Tuesday down here.
What are we in? 4D motion rides, Guinness World Record Factory Museum. I don't know what's going. Okay.
Are we?
I don't know.
Oh, is that?
Yo, that's the falls over there.
I think that's the falls right there.
Yo, I think we have the falls.
We just have to park somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's okay. People crossing.
I know. I know. Double-decker bus.
Where the f are we gonna park? That's the falls.
There it is. Wow. All right. So
that's a big waterfall.
That's a big fall. All right. So we're there, and then we'll just venture up here and sightsee some shit like tourists, and then go back.
Sounds great. I want to show this food over here, but
Okay, so we made it to the Niagara Falls. Kind of. They're up there. The area is a little bigger than we thought it was going to be. I thought you kind of just drove in and then there's waterfalls and you look at them and then you drive away, but it's like a town of tourists. So there's probably a lot more to see than we anticipated. So we're going to try to knock out as much as we can in an hour. Hey, gulls. So probably coming close to an hour, but there's so much here, so we got to get as much as we can in. We're going to venture into the city just a tad. It's probably more of a tourist trap, but I'm sure I can get at least some good footage, and there might be one or two things we want to do, because after that, back to the US. So soak up what we can, spend the rest of our Canadian money so we don't got to take it back with us. Maybe a couple coins, but for the most part I'd like to spend it here, and then yeah, see what else we haven't seen yet. Let's go.
Now, don't be nervous. We haven't heard a single complaint yet.
There's lots of trial and lots of error.
Suddenly you're staring in the face of...
Wow. Let me picture of you real quick. Stay right there. It's getting late now, so it's seeming like it's slowing down. We got to get to Pittsburgh, so we're gonna get a quick beverage and then be on our way, but definitely lots of cool footage from here, so if you haven't been here, you should definitely check it out. It's totally worth it. Left Toronto and saw Niagara Falls, drive through Buffalo, the Pennsylvania state line's about 20 miles away. So now once we get into Pennsylvania, it'll be the 12th state on this trip, plus Ontario. 12 states in a province. And we're on day 17. Yeah. And we've driven 4,900 miles. So it'll be over 5,000 after tonight. In other words, we're killing it. That's what that's called. Boom, 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 boom. I'm here.
Guys,
Thank you.
hey, Em. Whoops.
Calm down.
Hey, Emmy, how you doing?
Hey.
Oh, welcome to PA.